Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very small Halloween fall haul, and I went to Bath & Body Works, Dollar Tree, and I got two things at Costco. So let's just jump right in. So I went to Bath & Body Works and I was looking at all their Halloween decor items, and they're so cute, but it wasn't my style. So I just picked up some candles and some hand soaps, and let me share them with you. So the first candle that I picked up at Bath & Body Works is this one here. This one is Pumpkin S'mores, and it's a 3-wick candle. They had them for $12.95 this past weekend, and I only picked up 4. And this, I don't know if this is a new scent or not, but it smelled really good. It's a little sweet, but I know that one of my boys likes sweet scents, so I picked this one up mainly for my son. The next candle is Leaves, and this one is a staple in my home. I have to get it. I think I already own one of these Leaves, but oh, I just opened it and I could smell it. It smells so good. It smells like fall in here. And but I love this candle so much, and I figured I know one of my boys will probably burn the other one that I have, so at least I have one for myself. But look at the packaging. Isn't that cute? The little houses on there. And then it has a leaf. This is like an engraved leaf that's on the lid. And I thought it was so pretty. So I picked up Leaves. And the other candle that is a staple in our house is Sweater Weather. This one smells so good as well. It smells good. It's similar to Leaves, but oh my God, it smells so good. So I had to pick up the Sweater Weather. And the last candle that I picked up is Pumpkin Carvings. I love the way this one smells. But look at the packaging. Oh my God, how cute. And look at the lid. It is also like, it has a raised design on there. And you can see, I don't know if you guys can see the skulls there. Can you guys see the skulls? And it looks so cool. They had another candle that had the lid that had like a snake on the top. It was a raised snake, and it looked pretty cool. But I just grabbed these 4. And I didn't want to grab too many, but I love the way this packaging looks. It's so cute. So many candles to pick from, but I just stuck with a lot of the old faithful ones. So those were all my candles. Let me show you the hand soaps. So for the hand soaps, we picked up some foam soaps. We prefer the foam soap. I think it lasts longer than the regular soap. And so I picked up this one in flannel. I love the way this one smells. It smells like cologne, but I also get them in like more of a manly scent for my boys because they put these in their bathrooms. So I picked up flannel, and this is an old faithful. We have to have this one every year in our home. The next hand soap is Marshmallow Fireside. This one, also a classic. We have to have this one in our home as well. It smells so good, so woodsy. I just love the way this smells, especially after you wash your hands. That scent just lingers in your hands, and it smells so good. Another scent for my boys is Mahogany Teakwood. This one smells just like cologne. It smells so good. So again, this soap is for my boys. I also picked up Leaves in the hand soap. And these were also on sale. I believe there were 5 hand soaps for $27, I believe. You know, everything has gone up in price with Bath & Body Works. It's not as cheap as it used to be, but, you know, I don't always buy Bath & Body Works, so we figured for the fall time, we'll splurge. But this Leaves smells amazing. The other hand soaps that I got, the other 2 are not fall inspired, but this is a cranberry and gala apple. I don't know if you say gala or gala, but I got this one, and look at how pretty the packaging. It's very simple, but very pretty. The last soap is pomegranate and blackberry. And look at how pretty again. I also picked up some oils for my wallflowers, and some of them are fall scents and the others are not, but I didn't feel like bringing those upstairs. I have already put those away. But this is pretty much everything that we got at Bath & Body Works. So let me move on to the 2 items that I got at Costco. So I went to Costco to go look for that pumpkin Mickey, the jack-o'-lantern, and I couldn't find it. They didn't have it. They had other stuff out, and I didn't think about taking video for you guys. It was really busy when we went, but they had a clock that was like Dia de los Muertos type of clock. They had, oh, other Disney stuff too, but I just didn't think about recording. And so when we went in there, I found some Christmas ribbon, and that's the only thing that we purchased was the Christmas ribbon. And I only got 2 ribbons, and I'm going to show you. The first one is this thin one. It's, I think, 1.5 inch, and it's 50 yards, and it is like a candy cane stripe. I love this one. It's so pretty. And they were $7.99 each. And then the one that I really, really was excited to find, and this was, oops, this was the only one that they had left, is this one. Look at how pretty. This is a 2.5 inch, and I believe it's also 50 yards. Yeah, that's also 50 yards. But look at how cute the trees are. They look Grinchy, don't they? So I'm going to be doing Grinch theme again this year. So I figured I'd had to get this ribbon. Look at how adorable. As a matter of fact, let me show you a ribbon that my husband got for me in the auction. So as you guys know, my husband loves to get on the auction, and we find a lot of things in the auction. Sometimes we can get them really cheap, and other times we just don't even bother because they go way overpriced. Well, this next ribbon I got in the auction, and I got it, I think it was $6. But my God, look at how much ribbon is in there. And look at the ribbon, how pretty. It has like little fuzzies on the sides where the wire is at. Can't really see it. I have to open it, but I don't want to open it right now. But I'm going to be using this as well for my Grinch theme this year. But those were the only 2 ribbons that I got at Costco. Let me move on to Dollar Tree. And it's not a lot. It's a very small haul, like I told you guys, but I can't wait to show you what I did find at Dollar Tree. As you guys know, Dollar Tree has their Plus section, their Dollar Tree Plus section. And I found the cutest ghost. Look at how cute. He was $5. I just love him. I think he's so cute. And he was the last one that they had there. So I had to pick him up. And I did take some pictures of a lot of the stuff that I did see at Dollar Tree. If you go to my Instagram, Ruth Spontaneous Creation, you'll see what they have out there. And, but this, I don't know if I have any batteries to try to test it out. I think it uses, looks like it uses, I don't know if it's AAA or AA. Let me see if I have some up here. All right, found some batteries. Whew, out of breath, had to run up and down those stairs. But let me turn this on. Oh my God, isn't he cute? He's so adorable. And for $5, I don't think he's a bad deal. I thought he was gorgeous. Look at how cute. So the next item I thought was so adorable. It reminds me, well, let me show you guys. Look at how cute this little ghost is. It's like a little trinket box. This one was $3. And they had a cat and a pumpkin, and I liked all 3 of them, and I wanted to get them, but I was like, you know, I don't, honestly, what am I going to do with the other ones? I didn't get them, and I went back to Dollar Tree last night, and they didn't have any more, but they brought out other stuff, but they didn't have these anymore. So if they bring them out again, I might get the cat. Maybe the pumpkin, I don't know. But I definitely would get the cat. I thought the cat was cute, and I regret not getting him. But isn't it cute? It's kind of a Bethany Lowell type of look. And is it Bethany Lowell, or is it, who's the other one that does the similar type of look? I can't remember off the top of my head, but I thought he was so cute, and I said, why not? It's a ghost theme this year. But I just thought he was so cute, and I could not resist him. And then when I thought about it after, I thought maybe I should have picked up the other ones, because then I could have added candies in here and given them to my kids as a part of a boo basket. But I see the eyes are kind of a little off. I don't know if you guys can see that, but whatever. I'm okay with it. I think it's cute and it doesn't have to be perfect. I found this ribbon. Look at how cute. It's a bunch of ghosts, a bunch of little ghosties, and it's glittered ribbon. You can see it has, the ghosts are a little glittered. It's not wired ribbon, but it was $1.25. Thought it was cute, so I figured I would pick it up anyways. I'll find something to use this for, and I just thought it was just really cute little ghost. So I got one of these ribbons, and it's only 4 yards. The next item, I paid $3 each, and they're both the same. I got these candle holders. Look at the crows. Oh my goodness. And they were only $3. These are so cute. So I was debating if I wanted the crows or the one with the snake that's wrapped around. I feel maybe I should have gotten one, at least one of the snakes, but I really like this, the crow. I don't know why I kept gravitating towards the crow. But I don't know if I'm going to keep both of them. I might give one to my daughter. I don't know if she wants it. I don't know if she's going to want one. But I think they're so cute. And for the quality, the price is not a bad deal. You would pay more if you got these at, say, Hobby Lobby. Well, not Hobby Lobby because they don't do Halloween anymore. But like at the at-home store or Michael's, you know, those places, I think you would pay a lot more. And I think for the quality, I think they're a good deal. Look at that. Look at how pretty the crow, it has his mouth open. I think it's really, really pretty. So I'm glad that I picked those up. I wish I would have maybe picked up the snake one, but I'm good with that. I'm trying not to buy too much Halloween stuff because I think I have a lot already. And I did say I wanted to start working on some of my stuff that I have already here to repurpose it. But I just been busy with other stuff. So anyway, the last 2 items that I got at Dollar Tree are not Halloween. They're these makeup sponges here. And you get this little case and you get 3 sponges. They have different colors. And I just got these 2. And that was everything that I got at Dollar Tree. And like I said, I'm trying not to buy too much stuff. But if I do see something that I like and I feel like I really can't live without it, then I'll pick it up. But yeah, at Dollar Tree, this is not too expensive. It's not going to break the bank. So I got these little items and I'm glad that I did because I really do like them. But I do want to start working. I know I keep saying I want to work on some of these DIYs, but I really do need to get on the ball, in the swing of things here and start pumping out some of these things that I want to do. So anyways, that was my very small haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, one more thing that I want to show you guys. I got these little Mickey ears in the auction as well, and I got them for $2. Isn't that cute? Look at that. They're so cute. I actually bought more stuff in the auction, like, ooh, dropped my ears there. So I actually bought more stuff in the auction, like Grinch stuff and other little things here and there. My husband, when he thinks of me too, he'll just, because I don't get on the auction all the time and he does, and he'll see things and he'll just buy them for me. But look at these ears. I actually also have some other ears. I don't know if I shared them with you guys. They're the Nightmare Before Christmas ones. I'm going to have to share them with you guys right now. But I started to decorate my loft area, kind of Halloweenish. Do you guys want to see? I can take you to go see it. All right, you convinced me. Let's go to my loft. All right, so first off, you see those ears that I put on Jack? Those are the ones that we got at the auction, and they're so cute. I love them. And so let me show you guys my library / loft area. All right, here we go. Here is the loft, which is my library. And I have up here some of my Jack Skellington stuff. And then I just have throughout scattered my Funko Pops, which I used to have them all up here. But I put these guys up here that I got on Costco online. And funny thing, they have them at Costco. And they're a lot cheaper there. But I just didn't want to miss them. So I got them online and I paid $10 more for each. So anyway, it's okay. But I've been saving this spot because this is where I want to put the Jack-o'-lantern Mickey that I cannot find anywhere. So that's that. And then here is my ofrenda that I had made last year, and I have a tutorial on this guy, and I'll link it below. But I have this guy. I don't know where I'm going to set this up, but over here, these banners here, the trick-or-treat ones, I got these in the auction for $1, but you can find them on Amazon. A lot of the stuff that the auction sells is stuff from Amazon. So that's where I got those. And then that little Mickey hat I put on Jack, I actually thrifted a lot of those hats, and I thought I put them out. I guess I didn't put them out. But this is what I've got so far up here. And then I need to, what I need to do is I need to put up my Halloween tree. But my son gave me, I think, this one last year for my birthday. And then I have this one, my Sam collection there. There are my Sanderson sisters, my Universal Monsters, and I love strawberry shortcake. And so, yeah, there's some of my stuff here. I'm going through stuff there, the boxes. This needs to go in my husband's office, but I think I might put my tree here. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put my ofrenda this year, and I'm not sure. But anyways, this was a haul video. I went way off trying to show you guys what I'm trying to do here. But I want to thank you for watching, friends. I hope that you guys go out there and find some amazing deals. And I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, friends.